So guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can pin a settings into your start options. So for that, if you go to settings, you will see a lot of options called system, devices, phone, network and internet, personalization, apps, accounts, time and language, gaming, ease of access, search, privacy and update and security. So for example, if you want to use the settings for multiple times, you can pin that settings in your start options as well. So for example, if you want to make this personalization in your start option, you can pin that in start as well. So for that, you have to click on the right button and then click on the pin to start. So if you'll allow you to click yes or no. So do you want to pin this dial to start? So I'm pressing yes, so then close it. I can now go to start. So here, as you can see, this is the personalization setting. Now you can click on personalization. You will go to into the personalization settings. So this is how you can start a settings in Windows 10.